cam removed, CDI pickup thingy removed, stator and cam chain tensioner spring loaded thingy removed. This is just my old one. And note that the front one is still in. Slider down in there. Granted, this is much easier with two hands, but I'm holding the phone just for you, Eric. That'll slide in right there. Alright, you'll have to put that bolt back in or whatever. It is a little tricky, but this is the pin that holds the bottom of the tensioner. Slide it in there. You got to get a little bendy with it, but not too bad. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Slide that back up in there with all the various sundries. Put it back together.